Apple Intelligence brings new writing tools to Mac. For example, you can use it to proofread your messages or even rewrite them. So let's say if you make some writing errors, then you can easily fix them or even rewrite them according to your preference. In this video, I will guide you with how you can use Apple Intelligence to proofread messages on your Mac. So first of all, you should enable Apple Intelligence on your Mac. For this, you can watch this video. Its link is in the description. Now, click on this icon to open Launchpad. If you are using MacBook, then pinch with 3 fingers and your thumb on the trackpad to open the Launchpad. Now, search for the Messages app and press Enter to open it. Now open the chat to which you want to send the message. Now, type the message. Select the part of the message that you want to proofread. Right click on it, click on Writing Tools, and then Show Writing Tools. After this, click on this Proofread option. Now, this will proofread the message and show you all the changes. Click on Done to apply the changes. So this is how you can use Apple Intelligence to proofread your messages on Mac. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel.